Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Cloudflare Warp on Windows step by step clearly. To enable Cloudflare Warp on Windows, start by visiting the Cloudflare Warp website. Look for the download section on the home page. Click on the option to download the Warp client for Windows. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. When the installation finishes, locate the Cloudflare Warp application on your desktop or in your Start menu. Run the Cloudflare Warp application. You will see a welcome screen with an option to get started. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. The application will prompt you to sign in or create a Cloudflare account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, you'll see the main dashboard of the Warp application. Look for the toggle switch that says Connect. Click on the toggle switch to enable Warp. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your connection is secure. You can also access settings for further customization if desired. Explore the various features under the Settings menu for optimal performance. To disconnect, simply return to the main dashboard and toggle the switch off. That's it. You have successfully enabled Cloudflare Warp on your Windows machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.